Do you know ChatGPT can actually help you to get more views on your channel? Are you struggling with views? You upload your videos, you won't get views. Today I will show you how you can use ChatGPT to promote your videos to a larger audience so that you will start getting views on your channel. Okay, alright, now just head over to ChatGPT. Okay, there you type okay, look at what you type. Please, can you be my YouTube coach and growth strategist? My channel is really struggling with getting views. I have done everything within my power, yet no positive results. Can I share my channel with you so that you will check if I'm doing anything wrong? Please help me out. So here you will tell ChatGPT everything about your channel, the experience, everything, the struggles, everything about your channel. So you have to be discussing with it as if you are talking to a real person. Okay, ChatGPT can actually help you. So you have to open up to ChatGPT, discuss with it as if you are talking to real human being. Okay, so now look at the response. Absolutely, I would be glad to help you as a YouTube coach and growth strategist. Here is how we can approach this step by step. Share your channel. Please send me your channel link or the exact name if it's easier. I will review your channel branding. That's the banner, the profile picture, and about section, videos, video titles, thumbnails and descriptions, tags, keywords and playlists, overall content consistency and niche clarity. I will audit and organize. I will analyze what is working and what is holding you back, including your click-through rates, titles. So now let's just share our channel listing. Let me just type my channel username. Okay, tap tech hub. Okay, So make sure you don't skip any part of this video so that you will understand everything step by step. Okay, all right, now cool, thanks for sharing. I found your channel, Tap Tech Hub. Here's a breakdown of what I observed. So what I think could help. If you want, I can go deeper, review specific videos, analytics you have, etc. Then what I observe, from what I can see, your channel's positioning, that is quick, simple and powerful tech tricks for Android, iOS, PC, etc. You upload videos with practical tips. Example, increase time font size. The frequency seems reasonable. Recent uploads. So far so good. You have a clear niche. Tech tips or tricks. You are producing content and you are active. So possible weaknesses. What might be holding growth back? Here are some possible issues. Standard ones for channels in your situation, plus ones I think may apply to you. So the ChatGPT will not tell you everything that it's observed from your YouTube channel. Okay, so and make sure that whenever you are talking to ChatGPT, relate with it as if you are talking to real human being. Don't hide anything from it. It will help you. This is what I have done on my Faceless YouTube channel, and it really worked for me. Okay, it really worked for me. So now you can share a YouTube video link, okay, with it. Once you share that video link, then ChatGPT will go through that video link to check if there is anything wrong with it, then feed you back with the observation. Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay, so now ChatGPT will tell you everything. Okay, so recommendations. Let's come to recommendations, and make sure you read through everything that ChatGPT detailed for you. Okay, if you follow these things, it will help you out. So I'll still tell you that is the secret of this. Make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I will show you how ChatGPT can help you get more views. This one is just to get your channel active and ready. Okay, this is just to ensure that you are not getting anything wrong. Okay, but the main secret I will reveal it as you continue in this video. Okay, so here are concrete things you can try to improve your video hook and structure. That is, when people look at it, what will attract them, what will activate them to click on your video or to watch your video. Okay, that is very, very important. Improve your thumbnails and titles. Very, very important. Your thumbnails should be catchy. It should be appealing to the eyes. Then your SEO, that is search engine optimization. Your keyword search. Whenever people search something like that, will your video be recommended? Will your video rank on YouTube search? This is what ChatGPT will also help you out with. Okay, audience retention, lean into shorts. Okay, branding. So you go through everything that ChatGPT detailed. You read everything step by step and make sure you implement everything. You can even go ahead to tell ChatGPT to give you a proper thumbnail or banner. Sometimes ChatGPT can tell you that your banner is not good or is not attractive, it's not appealing on your video thumbnail. You can tell it to create a catchy and engaging thumbnail for you and ChatGPT, or you can tell ChatGPT to create the banner that it thinks that is the best for your channel. Then ChatGPT will do that for you. Okay, now without wasting most of your time, okay, I've given you what you need to know about asking ChatGPT to help you fix your channel. Now let me tell you what you need to do. Okay, what you need to do so that ChatGPT will start helping you to get more views on your YouTube channel. Okay, so now this is what you will do. After you have created your video and your video is ready, you've created the video, you've edited the video, you've done everything on the videos, and the video is now ready to be uploaded. Okay, so now this is what you do. You come again, you type Alright, so look at what I asked ChatGPT. Generate a full SEO for a video I created on how to get 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. Then click. Now wait for it. So now ChatGPT will now give you everything you need for your videos to go viral. ChatGPT will give you everything, both the name. Now look at the name ChatGPT gave you: how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in 7 days, proven strategy. This is a captivating title. Anybody that sees this title will click on it. Then this is the description. It will give you the description for the video. Want to grow your YouTube channel fast? In this video I will show you step by step how to get 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days. You can see the way ChatGPT puts everything like a human being. In fact, this ChatGPT even performed more than a human being. Look at the way it positioned everything, both the call to action, everything. Look at then with putting tags, the appropriate tags in your description. Okay, because it's not wise to put hashtags on your title. Don't do that. ChatGPT will not even recommend it. It is not wise to put hashtags in your title. Instead you put it in your description. Okay, so now this is for description. Then tags, you can copy the tags, go to tags, impute these tags. Then this one, suggested hashtags, add to description and pinned comment. Okay, so now this is the thumbnail tips. You can also tell ChatGPT to generate a catchy thumbnail. Okay, you can say generate so now generate a hyper-realistic thumbnail for it with catchy background images and fonts. You send. Wow, you can see how good and catchy this thumbnail is. So ChatGPT can actually guide you as a coach, as a physical coach and growth strategist. Okay, so we've actually come to the end of this video. In case you don't know how to place all this SEO that ChatGPT has given to you, you can drop that in the comment section and I will do a video on it, or I will explain to you on how you can go about it. Okay, we've actually come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate. Please, I would like you to like this video, comment on it, share, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, please follow me for more updates like this. Thank you guys, and God bless you. So if you do this thing I just showed you now, you'll see how massive your views will increase. You start getting views on your channel. Try this and thank me later.